You know how in every heist movie, there's a big vault with a steel door, and a bunch of guys have to blow up the safe, crack codes, and do other crazy thief stuff to grab the payload and get out before they get caught by the law? Well, if you replace money with your company's data, that's why we need cybersecurity, basically. It's like when you forget your password for an account at work. Rather than going through the steps of resetting it properly, you try the same few variations until you're locked out. A warning email is sent out to your entire team, and you're forced to take that walk of shame down to the IT desk. This doesn't happen out of spite. It happens because your company has security systems in place to prevent the bad guys from getting their digital paws on anything from trade secrets to credit card data. So yeah, password keychains and two-factor authentication are important, but there's a lot more to it than that. Cybersecurity refers to the various processes an organization will take in order to protect their hardware, software, data, and any other internet-connected systems, like company-issued smartphones. And if you look at what happens when cybersecurity fails, like when Sony Pictures got hacked in 2014, which caused a high-budget blockbuster to get pulled from theaters, it all becomes very clear. At the end of the day, bad cybersecurity is bad business. Cyber attacks come in many different forms, but some of the most common methods include malware, or malicious software, that cybercriminals will trick you into downloading. This software will help them gain access to your system. Ransomware, which is a type of software that will encrypt your data and keep it encrypted until you pay the offender a financial sum to give it back. Phishing, that's with a PH, which is basically a scam where someone asks you to enter your login credentials or even personal data like a social security number through a phony email address, text message, or phone call. DDoS attacks, which means distributed denial of service, and is basically a coordinated effort to crash a website by sending over a ton of traffic all at once. So yeah, this all sounds pretty intense, but fear not. A quick primer on what industry vets refer to as the 5 C's of cybersecurity will help keep you safe. Change. Technology evolves faster than anyone can keep up with it, so don't get stuck in your old ways. Staying up on industry advancements and embracing constant need to change is one of the best ways you can protect yourself and your organization from a cyber attack. Compliance. I know, it's enough to send boring HR seminar-induced chills through the air, but establishing guidelines and making sure everyone in your organization understands them is essential. You can't expect employees to keep themselves and their data safe if they don't understand how or why. Cost. If compliance makes the associates groan, then cost makes the CEO cry. Running an effective business is a balancing act, and leadership should always be looking for areas to tighten up, but cybersecurity is worth the investment. Continuity. No, we're not arguing about superhero timelines here. Having a continuity plan, meaning a playbook that you can refer to in the event of a cyber attack, will help you respond effectively and get back online as quickly as possible. Coverage. Cover all of your bases, digital or otherwise. Keeping your data servers in a physically secure location that could only be accessed through key cards or even fingerprint scanners is just as important as making sure that your employees' tax documents are properly encrypted. So be sure to update your passwords, submit your compliance check, and pay your IT guys on time, because we all need cybersecurity, basically.